Hey guys, welcome back to my space on the internet. My name is Ezini, but of course, you can call me Sugar. In today's video, you guys, I am going to be taking you through how to steam your face using lemongrass soap. Okay, you guys. Now, it has so many amazing benefits. Okay, so literally, this is going to be like a vlog, me teaching you or showing you the processes on a step-by-step guide on how to go about this. Okay, as you can see, I already, put up my hair together, getting my face ready. Okay, and I'm going to be explaining why I'm actually using this particular routine right now, why I am beginning this particular routine. I'm going to be sharing that with you later in this video, so you need to stay tuned for that. Please hit the subscribe button so that you get notified whenever I post a new video on this channel. Okay, you guys, so we'll put on our stove, okay, to heat some water, okay, just to steep our lemongrass. So while we're waiting for it, I'll go over into the bathroom, okay, to wash the face. Okay, now I'm using this massaging sponge to wash my face, to get every oil and dirt, okay, to cleanse the face. First of all, if you have a good cleanser, you can make use of your cleanser, but if you've been on my channel, you know that I use my soap for my body and the one for my face. Okay, so that is what I'm using to scrub and wash up every dirt, every impurities, to get my face ready for the lemongrass to come in. Okay, you guys, so that the lemongrass can really go into every single pores in my skin. You guys, I mean, this is one thing you should always do. Since I started using this particular sponge, you guys, listen, and not going back, that's what I'm going to be using to wash my face. Okay, you guys, that is literally what I am going to be using, because this thing cleans your face so freaking much, no matter the amount of makeup you have on. Okay, you guys, now I did sort of what you call a double cleansing, okay, just to be sure, because I actually went to bed with my makeup on. Okay, you guys, so as soon as I was done with that, I went in with water to wash the soap off of my face, wash it properly, and you guys, my face was clean. I patted my face dry with my face towel. Remember that you're supposed to have a separate towel for your face and for your body. You should not be using the same towel for your face and your body in 2023, you guys. Okay, so I patted that dry very well, and then we headed straight to the kitchen to steep our lemongrass. Okay, so yes, this is me setting the bowl for that we're going to be using. I'm adding the water right here, as you can see, you guys, and then of course, next thing, I'm going in with the lemongrass, okay, to infuse it into the water. I prefer this as against putting the lemongrass into the pot and boiling it right there on the stove. Okay, so I just put that in, I sipped it. I just feel like this is safer. I just like this more. Like, I feel like you reap more benefits from this, so I just did that, sipped it in, and then I covered the bowl for the lemongrass to infuse properly into it. By the time I went back to check, I saw that my lemongrass was ready. When you do this, you're going to notice that the color of the water is going to change to slightly yellow, like lacacera color, something like that. Okay, you can allow it to get more concentrated at any point or however you want it, but yeah, you guys, so straight into the actual thing, which is the steaming of the face. Okay, so you want to get a thick towel to lay over your head, and then you bend on the hot water, okay, that you've put, you guys, and then you put your head there. Okay, you guys, why this is steaming is beautiful is that you not only reap the benefit, okay, of your face, it also goes into your body to help your body. So here I'm trying to show you guys the different ways that you can adjust your face while you're steaming. That was why I had to open the towel for you to see. You literally have to turn to different sides that the steam might not necessarily get to directly, so you have to be intentional about it. Okay, so this is me just laying more emphasis. You can see me turning to the right, putting my face to the right into the water, and after that I put other parts, my jawline, I put my forehead, so that it really goes and sits into every part of my face. Okay, so that I am sure that the lemongrass tea goes right into the places that I want it to go into. So I just went on ahead, okay, of course, you guys, to finish up with the steaming. Okay, cover it up, stay for like 5 to 10 minutes or more if you have enough endurance for the steam coming out of the hot water. Okay, you guys, so quick one, you guys, at this point I'm going to stop here to share with you why I decided to resume my steaming routine. Even if perhaps in a separate video I'm going to be sharing with you guys why you need to steam your face, the different kind of things that you can use to steam your face. Of course, this video is already showing you how to actually go about the process of steaming your face. Okay, you guys, my last period, okay, my last menstrual cycle came with a lot of crazy breakouts, a lot of acne, a lot of pimples. And you guys, initially I didn't even understand, like I wasn't quick to know that it was like, you know, hormonal acne from period and all that stuff. And I would just find myself, you know, accidentally popping my pimples, you know. Okay, sometimes I would over exfoliate. Okay, I was over exfoliating when I was having severe acne breakouts, and that is why I began to have you know, dark spots, and then sometimes you see some fresh ones coming out, okay, you guys. So I decided to, you know, go back to my routine to like fight it in, yes, to fight it. And I got a lot of crazy breakouts, you guys, and dark spots from the last acne breakout I have, that I am hoping is going to clear out before my next menstrual cycle comes in, okay, you guys. If you're a lady watching this video, you can relate to what I'm saying, okay, you guys. So I'm preparing to go to work, okay, I'm heading out to work this morning, so I'm just going to go on, take my shower, okay. So the next thing that you're actually supposed to do as soon as you are done, you know, with the steaming, is to moisturize your face, to keep your face hydrated. And like I always say, most of the times when I do these kind of things, like I use natural things, okay, to do my face steam and stuff, I always like to go in to moisturize with my coconut oil, okay. And if I'm looking for like an extra protection, especially seeing that I'm also going to be going into the sun like almost immediately as soon as I'm done, after putting on the coconut oil or moisturizing with coconut oil, I'm still going to layer it with some blue seal Vaseline to properly lock in the moisture, sorry, and keep my face hydrated, okay, you guys. So you want to make sure that you moisturize any good moisturizer that you have, any good mild moisturizer, okay, you guys. Emphasis on the word mild. You need to use a mild cleanser, because doing this, okay, exposing your face to this steam, to this hotness, is already leaving your skin sensitive, so you need time for your skin to come back together. What this does is that it, of course, it opens up your pores and allows, okay, whatever treatment you're going to be putting into your face to actually work out for you. So maybe one of the reasons why the products you've been using have not been working for you is because your pores are clogged and you've not opened them up, okay. Now you would know all of this if you had watched the video where I shared with you, okay, lifestyle habits that you need to stop doing in order for you to treat your acne, to have a clear glowing skin. And of course, the things that you need to start doing, the kind of product you need to start using, the kind of organic and inorganic products that you need to start using or applying to your face in order to achieve your desired result and go look. Okay, so that is about it for now. I'm going to just head on right now to go and take my shower, and then I'm going to head out to work.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want.
Thank you guys for watching this video till the end. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comment section. Please hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Turn on the bell notification so that you get notified whenever I post a new video on this channel. And of course, you guys, please help me share out this video. Help me get to 1,000 subscribers, okay, you guys. Please help me achieve that. And you can help me do that when you share this video, when you encourage your friends, your subscribers, and everyone around you to subscribe to this channel, because you will always get value, entertainment, and beautiful things on this channel, okay, you guys. Thank you once again for watching this video till the end. Until I come your way next time in my very next juicy, informative, entertaining, and educative video, this is simply Shuga signing out.